On to some news that's breaking this minute. The state of Maharashtra witnessed the single highest day jump with 778 new COVID cases recorded on Thursday. This also includes 14 deaths. Now, the state's tally of the COVID cases has crossed the 6,000 mark with a total of 6,427 cases, including 283 deaths that have been reported from the state of Maharashtra. Now, what's worrying for the authorities in Mumbai is that out of all of these cases that have been reported, majority of them have come in from the city itself. In Mumbai, 522 new cases were recorded from the city itself, which is, of course, a worrying sign at this point. And hence, the government there has increased the containment zones at this point to another 117, taking the total containment zones in the city to 930. Remember, Mumbai has so far recorded 4,205 cases, which includes 167 deaths so far. Let me go across to my colleague Disha, who's joining me live this morning, getting us all those updates there. Disha, good morning. This is, of course, a worrying sign at this point. Maharashtra, of course, has seen a single highest jump in a single day. But out of that, majority of the cases have come in from Mumbai. What are the measures that the government is mulling at this point? They have, of course, increased the containment zones. But what are the additional measures that the government is looking at?
Well, definitely it is a major cause of concern here, Apurva, because if I can talk about the Maharashtra's total positive cases, today stands at 6,430 positive cases, and out of which the maximum city here, Mumbai, has alone recorded 4,200 cases so far. So you can see that, Mumbai seems to be the worst affected out of all the, districts here in the state of Maharashtra is concerned. And keeping this in mind, of course, the rising number of cases specifically in affected areas like Worli, Prabhadevi, Baikala, as well as Dharavi. Now the BMC has identified more 117 containment zones in the city of Mumbai, taking total tally to 930 containment zones in the city alone, which essentially means that most of these areas have been contained by the BMC in concern. Not much public movement, of course, will be allowed. Only for the grocery store, grocery shopping, they'll be allowed to step out. But of course, these areas are being thoroughly monitored by the BMC at this point in time. In fact, in slums, if you talk about now, the BMC has taken a step ahead and used drones specifically to monitor the people's movement. Because remember, most of these cases now are coming from slums and the chawl areas here in the city of Mumbai, which is congested at this point. So to track people's movement every time is getting difficult, and that is why drones are also being used. Medical camps are being set up across the city, and people are being checked door to door. For instance, recently we saw, apart from people being checked door to door in Dharavi, now even the senior citizens in slums will be checked door to door, so that if at all, if there is any symptomatic patient, of course, of a senior citizen, he can be dealt at an early stage. So these are certain measures that, of course, BMC is taking on the ground level. Of course, acquiring more and more private hospitals and creating isolation wards, so that people, of course, who are getting infected, they do not really run out of beds, or they do not run out of doctors, for that matter, for medical treatment. So all of these are certain precautions that the BMC is taking on the ground level. And even if you talk about whole Maharashtra as such, more and more precautions are being taken, where the authorities are sealing the area, asking people to completely stay indoors, because most of these now are contact cases as we speak.
All right, Disha, many thanks for joining us and giving us an overall update in the city of Mumbai, where maximum number of cases have now been reported.